Congratulations, Billy. Can you tell me how you won this competition?
I won this competition by posting a magnificent photo of Cottesloe Beach on the first day when we got here. Posted it on Instagram and hashtag Aquatic Super Series, and was lucky enough to win the GoPro 2 and a helicopter ride.
I ended up, because my good Remy Ryan, he ended up winning the event, and I scored a free helicopter ride.
Yeah, Megan Nay gave me her ride, so I was pretty stoked.
So you're about to go on a helicopter ride. Do you know what you're going to see?
I believe we're going over the Swan River, and hopefully we'll go over some beaches and hopefully see some sharks, as Tommy wants to see.
Yeah. Oh, just the good sights of Perth, I suppose.
Maybe we see a bit of the open water.